Welcome to Breathe and Meditate, Unlock Inner Calm, Daily Breathwork and Mindfulness Guide. If your mind often feels cluttered with racing thoughts, as if too many things are demanding your attention at once, this audiobook offers the clarity and calm you may be seeking. Here's the thing. We live in a world that glorifies busyness. You blink and suddenly it's 4 p.m., your coffee's cold, and you're still stressed about something that happened in 2012. And breathe? Who has time to breathe? You do. That's right, starting now. In this guide, we'll dive deep, pun fully intended, into breathwork and meditation. We'll break down what it means to breathe right, why your overthinking brain desperately needs silence, and how you can find peace without booking a retreat in the Himalayas. Pain point 1. Overthinking. Raise your hand if your brain replays conversations like it's trying to win an Oscar for Best Mental Rerun. Thought so. Overthinking is exhausting. It's like arguing with yourself in a group chat that only you are in. Here's the truth. Most people don't realize that breathing can break the cycle. Box breathing, for example, is a simple yet powerful method used by Navy SEALs and anxiety-prone overthinkers alike. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Try it now with me. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Feel that tiny pause? That's your brain going, wait, are we relaxed? Pain point 2, anxiety loop. Anxiety feeds on speed. It's a bully that thrives when you're rushing, multitasking, and doom-scrolling simultaneously. Meditation interrupts that cycle. But I'm not talking about sitting cross-legged on a yoga mat, whispering while lighting $50 candles. Meditation can be as simple as breathing consciously for 60 seconds in your car before work. No robes required. A great technique is the 5-5-5 breath. Inhale for 5, exhale for 5, repeat for 5 rounds. It's the mental version of turning your brain off and back on again, like a reboot for your nervous system. Now, if you've ever tried meditating and thought, I'm just sitting here thinking about nachos, you're not alone. That's part of the process. Your brain is a chatterbox. Meditation doesn't silence it. It teaches you not to follow every random thought it throws at you. It's mental adulting. Pain point 3. Sleepless nights. Another big one. Can't sleep. You lie in bed, body tired, mind doing a TED Talk on regrets, to-do lists, and, weirdly, raccoons. Try 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This slows your heart rate and activates the parasympathetic nervous system. Translation: your body chills out. When practiced nightly, this breathing technique becomes your personal sleep switch. No pills, no sheep counting. Benefits of daily practice. Doing this once feels nice. Doing it daily changes you. Your patience increases, your reaction time slows down in the best way. You stop snapping at traffic lights and start noticing birds again. Your inner calm becomes unshakable. That's the power of breathwork and meditation. It builds emotional resilience like muscles at the gym without the sweat or the need to awkwardly wipe down a machine afterward. Guided breathing segment. Let's do a short breathing meditation together, just 60 seconds. Sit comfortably, unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders. Now, inhale through your nose, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your mouth, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale, hold, exhale. Keep breathing slowly. You're not fixing anything right now, you're just being, which, believe it or not, is enough. Pain point 4, emotional burnout. Feeling emotionally fried? You're not alone. Modern life is a sensory buffet. Emails, notifications, deadlines, news. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose while juggling flaming swords. Meditation and breathwork don't erase your problems. They create space between you and your reactions. That space, that's where your power lives. Your emotional recharge button is located right under your nose, literally. Wrapping up, remember this: you can't pour from an empty cup, and your peace is not a luxury, it's a necessity. In this fast-paced world, breathe and meditate, unlock inner calm isn't just a title, it's a lifestyle, a commitment, a quiet rebellion against chaos. Whether it's 2 minutes of breathing at your desk or a 10-minute meditation before bed, you're rewiring your brain for calm, one inhale at a time. So the next time your world spins too fast, pause, close your eyes, and just breathe. Closing line. Thank you for listening to Breathe and Meditate, Unlock Inner Calm, Daily Breathwork and Mindfulness Guide. Take this calm with you. And remember, peace isn't found, it's practiced.